Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on my Alco Silver 520 BR push mower. So yeah, I'm going to be doing some grass cutting and just showing you how to use it. So here you've got your deck height adjustment. The lower it goes down, the lower your deck is, and the higher it is, the higher your deck is. So here you've got your pull cord, obviously, you pull it to start it. Here you've got your hand throttle. So the higher up it is, the lower throttle you have, and then the lower down it is, the more throttle you have. And then here you've got your handle. Well, it basically turns on and off. So when you let go, it turns off. You have to have it pulled in to start it, and then when you let go, it turns off. So yeah. And then here at the back, you've got your self-propelled. So yeah. First of all, what you're going to do to start it, if you're just going to check your petrol to see how much petrol you've got. Yep, that looks decent. And then just check the oil. Yep, that's good. Right, so now we're going to start it up. Yeah, so Briggs & Stratton engine, 190cc, 650E series. Here we go. Just try and get a good angle for starting it. That'll be good. Right, here we go. I'll just do a quick start. That's it running. Now I'll just get you into a good angle so I can do some grass cutting. I don't know how good you can see it on camera, but hopefully it's decent. So I'll just do a bit of grass cutting here. And yeah, here we go. There we go. It cuts grass quite well. It leaves a good cut. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but yeah, it leaves a good cut. And yeah, so that's just the grass collector in there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah.